the last 8 years, it has been coming down by roughly 70 to 80%. So far, this sell-off has been around 35%. What has been striking for me is we have seen over the last 2 to 3 days, people that have been pushing Bitcoins higher, saying that they manipulated Bitcoin, that they being people that have been pushing Bitcoin lower. To me, there is nothing like they in the market. If you're wrong, if your positioning is wrong, if your risk management is wrong, don't blame the other, don't blame the day. This is all about you. If you look at what we have been discussing, is we have seen first the sell-off of insiders, of long-term holders of Bitcoin, and that was around 110, 100 to 105. So that was the really another good sign when you get long-term holders that have been selling. We have seen as well that since the creation of ETFs around Bitcoin, so from start of 2024, roughly Bitcoin has been going from 40,000 to 130,000. So huge move. But what is important to say is actually the VWAP, or the average price of Bitcoin holders since the creation of ETF, is roughly around 88,000 to 89,000. In other words, any investors that have joined the crypto to the ETFs is now down 5 to 10% in his holding. So that is quite striking to say, this is an asset that is was supposed to be doing pretty well in those periods, but actually underperformed quite massively the overall market. If you look year to date, that has been really an underperforming asset. But really, to me, what is important, each time that you see people on social media, and here we are talking on CNBC even, that are saying that they manipulated Bitcoin, it's really a huge red flag. There is nothing like they manipulated. On Thursday, for example, I had a bad day. Okay, so I was long a stock that I should not be long. My risk management was not that great. Did I say it's about they? No, there is no they. It's about me. It's about my risk management.